Now that you've seen all the really cool things that you can do with Bootstrap, it's time for you to try these things out and put it to the test in your own editor. So whether you're using your own editor or you want to try it out online, all you need to do is copy and paste in the required libraries as well as the source code from within the lessons. So we've got ones where here we've got the modal, and you'll notice that just by default this isn't going to really do a whole lot because it's going to create the button, but the web browser isn't going to really know what to do with this. So this is where you got to make sure that you've added in and you've connected the proper libraries and set up Bootstrap right from the beginning properly within your web page. So make sure that before you actually paste the code in that you've got all of the Bootstrap libraries all ready to go added into your project, and then copy and paste out that source code in order to make it work. And if you are using any of the JavaScript within Bootstrap, make sure that you're setting up your jQuery and you've also linking to the proper libraries there as well. So something like the modal, it's only going to work as long as you've linked out to the proper libraries. Now, once we've got all of the libraries hooked up, we've got our modal working, and this is all you really need in order to get started with Bootstrap. Make sure that you've got your libraries, either if you've downloaded them or if you're linking to CDNs, make sure that you've got them in place and within that proper order. So if you've added in styling, make sure that your own style sheet is after the Bootstrap styling if you're making updates to the Bootstrap styling, and the same thing with the jQuery and the JavaScript, and make sure any script that you're adding, any modifications that might be interacting with the Bootstrap JS, make sure that it's after the Bootstrap JS has been loaded. So if you're using CodePen, you could bring in Bootstrap. So in the CSS, they have the ability to add Bootstrap in. So this adds it within the CSS. And then, of course, here we need to add in jQuery, and we also need to add in Bootstrap so that we get the full access to the library. And at this point, now we can just simply copy and paste that CSS, click me, and we see we've got the modal working without adding any customized CSS or JavaScript, just with the code snippet that's provided within the course. So try it out for yourself and check out all the really amazing, cool things that you can do with Bootstrap.